Hi everyone and welcome to Nikki's Kitchen. Today I'll be teaching you how to make tripe with ginger and chives, just like the ones that you have at dim sum. So let's get started. For this recipe you'll need a handful of chives cut into 1.5 inch in size and 1 ginger root thinly sliced. I have roughly 7 pounds of tripe here. I'll be teaching you the simple way of cleaning these tripe. Just add 1 tablespoon of salt. By adding salt, it will get rid of the tripe smell. Then rub the salt on the front and back of the tripe, just like this. Then rinse off the salt with cold water. Then cut your tripe in half, just like this. And then squeeze out all the excess water and set it aside. On high heat, boil 6 to 7 cups of water. Then blanch the tripe for 2 minutes on each side. If you want to know more about my channel, hit the subscribe button for the latest updates and videos. After blanching for 4 minutes, discard the water from the pot. Then pour the tripe into the cold water. This will shock the tripe and allow it to stop cooking. Once the tripe has cooled down, squeeze out the excess water and place it on a strainer to let it dry. Now let's slice up the tripe. There's only one direction to cut the tripe. Find the side that has the ruffles. I usually cut the tripe in half. Then find the side that has the ruffle and cut it in 1/2 inch size, just like this. Then cut the tripes in half to make smaller pieces. Here are the ingredients you'll need to prepare the tripe. On high heat, adding 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Then add in your sliced ginger and add in your minced garlic and stir fry for 1 minute. Then add in your tripe and add in your pre-cut chives. Adding 1 tablespoon of salt, adding 1 teaspoon of white pepper, adding 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, and stir fry for 1 minute. Then add in 6 ounces of chicken stock. Then combine everything together. Then add in 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. And add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. And add 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning. And turn the heat to medium and let it simmer for 10 minutes. After simmering for 10 minutes, let's prepare the slurry. In a bowl, you'll need 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of cold water. Make sure to mix the cornstarch slurry before adding it into the pan. This will thicken up the gravy. And stir fry for 1 minute. And it's ready to be served. And here you have it, dim sum quality stir-fried tripe with ginger and chives. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. Bye for now. See you next time.